Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about organic compost. Composting is an important part of organic gardening and can help you reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Organic compost is made from food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials that are compostable. The process of composting involves breaking down organic materials slowly in a sealed container with proper ventilation. This allows for the release of natural microorganisms that break down the materials into compost. Organic compost is an excellent soil amendment that can improve soil structure, increase water retention, and provide essential nutrients to your plants. One of the benefits of using organic compost is that it reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Landfills produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. By composting your organic waste, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help mitigate the effects of climate change. Another benefit of organic compost is that it can improve the quality of your soil. Compost contains a variety of nutrients including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for plant growth. When you add organic compost to your soil, these nutrients are released slowly, over time, providing a steady source of nutrition for your plants. Using organic compost can also help you reduce your water usage. Compost is a great source of moisture for your plants, as it contains water and other organic compounds. This can help you conserve water by reducing the need for regular watering. In addition to the environmental benefits, composting can also be a fun and rewarding hobby. It allows you to work with your hands and creates a sense of accomplishment when you see your hard work pay off in the form of healthy, nutritious plants. So, if you're interested in starting your own organic composting project, here are some tips to get you started. First, choose a location for your compost bin that is well ventilated and free from moisture. Second, make sure to select materials that are compostable, such as food scraps, grass clippings, and leaves. Third, start with a small amount of materials and gradually increase as your compost pile grows. Remember, composting takes time and patience. It may take several months before you see results, but the benefits of using organic compost will be well worth the wait. So, start composting today and join the growing movement towards a more sustainable future.